So, hey, you guys, this is me finishing up the pockets and showing you my process of how I plan to hopefully get into doing like micro mass processing of garments. Again, this is for the red jersey dress. I'm in the process of making the green and white one now. I have everything for the green one cut out, the pattern cut out, and I have the pockets cut out. I was working on the belt today, but here you will see my process here. It's a trip to me what I'm doing. I'm not bragging or anything. I'm just like, I gotta be crazy. And this is just 3 dresses. I would like to produce anywhere from 100 to 200. I would. Maybe not this involved, but yeah, just make small runs like this. Here I'm checking out the buckles. I wanted those big ones, and I wanted the belts to be thicker too. But I'm working on it. See, those would have been so cool. Look at those. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Even those would have been cool. But I only had 4 and they were different colors. See? So I opted for the 3 you see there. These are cool, but they're too small. See? Too small. So I'm going to do something special with those hopefully real soon. So I'm going to use those. These should be I don't know what this unit would be called, but it's the part where if I'm not mistaken, this is the part that goes around the belt. So when you bring it back around to the other side, this would be the part that where the end of the belt goes through. I'm getting my process down, so yeah. Like I said, I would love to be able to make like 100, 200 pieces. It's a dream. I mean, I can't produce 20,000 pieces, so let's just be honest, but 50, 60, 80, 100 pieces, 120 pieces. Come on, right? I don't want to mass produce like 20,000 pieces. I want to be able to do those my little specialty limited edition, limited run. And you can watch me make them, Call me out, As I develop, I'm doing research. I'm going back to my schoolwork. I'm looking at my manuals. I'm looking at, online. I'm on Pinterest, looking for inspiration. Going over my old schoolwork, looking for inspiration. And I'm getting this process down. It took a minute, but I'm getting this process down. Inverting. As a matter of fact, if you stick around and you see the green belts that I'm doing for the white dress, I mean, they're like 10 times as long. I did 4 of them today, and it went pretty smooth. Not all this stuff right here. This is intense. Keep that moving. I eventually get it, though. As you can see there. trying to remember that those look. They don't. When I iron it, because it looks pretty small, to be perfectly honest. What part of the belt would that be? It's Yep, that's what it is. It's that piece that holds the other end of the belt when it goes through. Yep, that's that piece. Yeah. Ah, I made three. Oh, that's what I did. Okay. Because I don't want to keep doing things over and over and over again. And that's what I'm doing. I'm developing a process where, oh, I must have got up and ironed it and came back. That's why it's flat like that. Ah, that's why you didn't see that. I'm not showing you guys the ironing because probably don't want to see me iron a bunch of stuff like this. I mean, if you'd like to see me iron, just let me know and I will. But yeah, I'm getting my process down so I can just cut and design and process in bulk. I do watch the mass-produced videos on YouTube. Yeah, I want to be able to just, like I said, do 150, 125, you know. Yeah, I'm going to admit I effed up here. But I cleaned it up, though. You guys can't even tell because it looks like it was part of the design. The holes don't go there, right? They go on the other end. And so I caught that, and so I put some other, God, I can't even remember what they're called now. Grommets, I guess? Not grommets, but yeah, I put colored ones on that, and then I put those right there that you see. I put those on the other end. I caught myself. But I had already marked the fabric with that pin on all three of them, literally. So I had to do something because I could not ask you guys to buy garments with the ink on there. So I took my hole punch there and I punched holes in there and I put colored, and it actually looks kind of cool. You know, it was a save. I did a save. If you go to the videos, you'll see. I think I'm going to make another one about the red one because I don't like the one that I have up now. I did it with my my gimbal, and my gimbal was shaking, and I just don't like it. I did it on my phone. I want to do it with my camera. So anyway, yeah. So please like, share, comment, repost, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.